guys, what's up? Welcome to a vlog. Welcome back! Just kidding. Comment down below if you know who that was from. And be specific of like what you're saying. So I know like what you're talking about. Welcome back! There's another one, just in case you'd like. Hi, let's talk. I got a lot to spill out on y'all, so let's get going. Alright, I have a mask on. It is a charcoal gel mask, and so that's what's going on in the face region. I just edited a vlog that I did not have time to edit Saturday because I was so busy and I didn't vlog Saturday, and then Sunday I just didn't feel like it. I was like, you know what, I haven't edited the last vlog, like I'm just not feeling it, I'm not going to, so I didn't vlog Sunday and I didn't edit this video. I just finished editing this video now, so there's that. Okay, so today I am home alone for the majority of the day. I mean, Tanner is here, but like right now he's at football practice and then he has to mow, so he'll be like in and out here, so I'm home alone. Holly's at volleyball practice like all day. My mom is at Holly and Jude's old house. It's like getting like remodeled a little bit, looking a little nicer to sell. So she and James are working there. Holly's half-sister Addison, she's 10, she's coming, and I'm gonna be here for 3 nights, so she's also at the house, and then everyone's like coming back at like 5 or something, so it's just me for a really long time. Me and Holly have bunk beds. If you can see, I'll show you guys them better later, but there they are. One's the bottom one. I'm sorry that I didn't vlog those 2 days, but I don't want to get in a place where I'm like forcing myself to vlog and edit, because that's not fun. That's what makes YouTube not fun, whenever you force yourself to do something. So, and that's why some YouTubers have to like take breaks and stuff like that. I know I'm not like a big YouTuber, but I just don't want to feel in that place. But I'm a little sorry that I didn't vlog if you were looking forward to that. So I'm going to take a shower. Today actually is the day before my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday, so that's fun. But I'm going to take a shower, and then I need to do my nails. And then I also have a haul video that I'm going to film. So yeah, I have cleaned up this room. There's not like anything really that I need to clean up. You see this like pink thing right there? That's my underwear. I need to put those away. But yeah, my desk is kind of dirty. But other than that, I have already cleaned and stuff. So yes, I gotta take a shower. After I just want to get this video started to upload, and I gotta make the thumbnail. And then I'll wash this off in the shower. This isn't a peel-off mask, it's gel. But yeah. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm editing my haul video right now, and as you may be able to tell, I look a lot different than the last clip. I don't got a face mask on. I've taken a shower. We are all fresh and clean. I have some real clothes on. We're doing pretty good. The room is pretty clean. I do need to pick up like a few things, like my headphones are on the floor, a pair of flip-flops, and a blanket. That's it. And the trash. But yeah, so let's do an OOTD. This makes an appearance in the haul, so you guys, that's cool. This is from Whiskey Creek Boutique. This t-shirt, and then I have these green jeggings. Do they look green on camera? Well, they are green. They are from Maurice's, and then I have these 2 bracelets right here. The orange one is also from Whiskey Creek, and then this one, the black one, is my mom got it for me on her cruise in like Italy or something. So yes, I did not paint my nails. That is something I haven't done, but I still might be able to do it tonight. So yeah, I did pick off all the polish. So that's a step in the right direction. All day, after I took a shower and stuff, I've just been, well, I filmed my video. I'm starting to edit it because I know it won't have a lot of time tomorrow, so I can probably upload this one today. And then I've just been doing word searches and just hanging out in the house. I hung out with Holly whenever she came back during practice. She has like a 3-hour break, so she came home during that, and we hung out. We sang songs. I ate lunch. It was a good time. Yeah, my mom and Holly are at Walmart right now, and then they'll be coming home soon, and then we'll see what happens from there. Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a face mask, and I actually forgot that I did it this morning, but I did. But we're doing it again. So over here we have a Holly who is not happy with me because the light is on. So she's not happy about that. But she's smiling because I'm vlogging her, otherwise she would scowl at me. What you doing?
You know what I'm doing. Not trying to laugh.
Oh, no. You're not going to sleep right now. I have text messages. I did not realize that. I thought it was Holly's phone. I need to, read those. Yeah, so right now my mom and Addison are baking cookies. My cookies for tomorrow. This is actually very not attractive. Whatever. Yeah, we have some water right here. I was using my mom's Sonic cup, but I poked a hole in it. So we have this. I'm using water enhancer things. So we have some Taste Good water. But yeah, so I'm gonna go check out the bakers. It would vlog. My mom doesn't want to be on camera. And I don't know if Addison wants to be on camera. So we're not gonna vlog, but you know. And also, right now I didn't mention, I'm doing crosswords and watching Gabby right now. Just watching some of her old videos. Just browsing YouTube. Oh my god, there is an itch. Alright. Yeah. I don't know, like in the crevice right there. It's just so bad. Hey guys, what's up? I'm about to go to bed. Holly might already be asleep. I don't think she is, but she could be. So about to go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can leave some love on it by liking, commenting, and subscribing if you're not already. We're at 31 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on my birthday. Good night.